Are you a fabricator constantly facing the pressure to qualify your welding procedures? Do you feel like you're losing out on profitable contracts because you don't have the right paperwork? Qualifying welding procedures can be a massive headache. It's time-consuming, expensive, and if you don't do it right, it can cost you thousands of dollars in lost productivity and rework. Many times procedures are written with a lack of technical understanding, containing essential variable ranges that are not only in violation of the AWS D1.1 code, but can also be detrimental to both weld quality and your shop's productivity. What if you could skip all that stress? What if you could have a complete library of pre-qualified, ready-to-use welding procedures at your fingertips, saving you time and money and giving you peace of mind that they were developed by experts? Introducing the AWS D1.1 Prequalified Welding Procedures Packet, a comprehensive collection of 322 welding procedures, all meticulously developed by welding engineers, certified welding inspectors, and other industry professionals in full conformance with the AWS D1.1 Structural Welding Code. This isn't just a handful of documents, it's an entire arsenal for your shop, covering gas metal arc welding, shielded metal arc welding, metal core arc welding, and gas-shielded and self-shielded flux core arc welding processes. They're ready to use and available for immediate download. This isn't a physical book, it's a digital packet of PDF files that can be shared across mobile devices, laptops, servers, and of course, printed. You can simply print the desired pre-qualified welding procedure and add your company name for immediate use. Or for a more customized approach, a blank welding procedure form is included. You can use the information provided in our procedures to recreate and customize your own, adding your company logo or any other specific details to make them your own. As a free bonus, we're including our exclusive guide on how to use, develop, and revise pre-qualified welding procedures. This guide will show you how to expand this packet into many more procedures by simply changing filler metals, joint configurations, or shielding gases as permitted by AWS D1.1. This ensures you're always in compliance and ready for any job. Stop spending your valuable time and money qualifying procedures when the Structural Welding Code allows you to benefit from using pre-qualified welding procedures. Get instant access to the documentation you need to bid on more jobs, improve quality, and increase your profitability. Get the entire packet of 322 pre-qualified welding procedures for one low price. Or if you prefer, you can purchase individual welding procedure packets for each welding process. If you have any questions, please check out the FAQ section, leave a comment, or send us an email.